This is a 2008 BMW 528. This car has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Features include a multi-function display, air vents for rear-seated passengers, a rear window defroster, a CD player, a security system, BMW individual composition, fog lamps, traction control, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 62,000 miles. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.